Hello, good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are fine. Good morning. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to study study of typical sinusoidal waveforms for amplitude, frequency, time period, peak value, average value, and RMS value. The aim of this experiment is to study the term amplitude, frequency, time period, peak value, average value, and RMS value of sine wave. To draw sine wave on graph paper and to show amplitude, frequency, time period, peak value, average value, and RMS value regarding of it. Theory regarding this practical is some important terms regarding to sine wave are given below. First one is amplitude. The maximum value attained by an alternating quantity, voltage or current during complete cycle is called amplitude. Frequency. The number of cycle completed per second is called frequency. Time period. The time taken by an alternating quantity to complete one cycle is called time period. Time period is measured in second and represented by T. Peak value. This is the maximum value of voltage Vm or current Im. The peak value applies to either the positive or the negative peak. Peak value is represented by Vp. Vpp means peak to peak value is equal to 2 into peak value means 2 into Vp. Instantaneous value. The value of an alternating quantity, current or voltage at a known instant time is called instantaneous value. Average value. This is an arithmetic average of all the value in a sine wave for a half cycle. Average value is specified only for an half cycle because for a full cycle the average value is 0. Average value is equal to 0.637 into peak value. Root mean square means RMS value. The value of sine wave, voltage or current at 45 degree, which is 70.7% of the peak value, is called root mean square RMS value. RMS value is equal to 0.707 into peak value. Vrms is equal to 0.707 Vm and Irms is equal to 0.707 Im. Root mean value is also called as effective value. Phase angle. Phase in a phase is an idea of time relationship between two alternating quantities like voltage or current. In sine wave, the instantaneous value of voltage or current depend on the angle of rotation of the rotating loop. This angle is called phase angle. Sin theta is equal to A upon B, where theta is equal to phase angle, A is equal to minimum division on y axis and B is equal to maximum division x axis. The waveform is shown in given below diagram. Observation table is also shown in given below diagram. Peak to peak voltage VPP is equal to number of division on y-axis into volt per division scale. Peak value VP is equal to VPP into peak to peak voltage divided by 2. RMS value Vrms is equal to 0.707 into Vp means peak voltage, or Vrms is equal to 0.707 into Vpp divided by 2. Average value is equal to 0.637 into peak value. Time period is equal to number of division on x-axis into time per division scale. Frequency f is equal to 1 upon t time period. Phase measurement theta, sin theta is equal to a upon b. Theta is the phase angle and theta is equal to sin inverse a upon b, where a is equal to minimum division on y-axis and b is equal to maximum division on x-axis. Conclusion of this experiment. In this way, we studied all the terms related to sinusoidal waveform. These are amplitude, frequency, time period, RMS value, average value, phase angle, peak voltage, peak to peak voltage, etc. There is some assignment for you. Please note it down in your copy. The first question is, how many waves are used in electronic field? Give their name. What is sine wave? Draw it. Define term, time period and frequency. How we calculate peak value and peak to peak value. How we calculate RMS value. What is the formula to calculate RMS value? Okay, thank you student. Meet you in next period. Thanks.